pa naman lang.
That's good na, that's good.
Okay, kung ano sa'yo.
Thank you. Ay!
Sorry po, I can't read anything from him.
Live na?
Nagulat siya eh.
Bro, magkabahal to eh.
Okay.
We're live.
Nawala ko
Ayan,
yun.
guys, introduce yourself. We're live na.
No, can we use your phone to read the comment?
Yeah.
Yes, I can't read.
Okay guys, mag-hi naman tayo sa ating live for today.
Hi!
Hello!
Ay, ba't ganun naman?
Hello!
Yes, meron tayong 319,000 followers.
319,000 followers! Woo! Sobrang saya! Hello. Good evening.
Yung book mo!
You can read comments sa phones.
I can't
Hello.
read.
I will try.
I can't see.
Oy! Ano
Ah, sorry.
Ano yan?
Hala.
Can we take off the filter po?
Guys,
Ayan, mas kita ba yung pag ganyan? Yung comment.
Can I just wear my glasses?
Ayun na lang,
phone na lang.
phone na lang.
Sa phone nyo na lang. Para
so,
makita
what
nila
are the
sa-
comments? Hello to everyone.
It's a face.
Bakit?
The face.
It's a beauty.
What face?
Dami
The
ng face natin.
filter!
Wala talaga pong filter yan.
Filter?
Hindi, may feel.
I can take it out.
Go, go.
Ayan, ang ating TikTok specialist.
Enhance.
Ayan.
Ay!
Thanks.
Ano ba yan?
Ano kasi?
Wait lang po.
Yes.
Enhance yata.
This is I want
Beautiful.
po. Bibenta ba kayo?
Ano tatanggal? Ayun.
Ayan.
Guys! Love at first bite na mamaya!
Are you?
Okay lang ba na tinatanggal?
Woo! Wala naman ng beauty filter.
Sige, lagyan natin ng konting jaw. Wait lang po, wait lang po.
Mapaprint na ako. Ako na dito. Ayan, napaka-chaotic pa ng live natin. Kakatapos lang po nila sa kapamilya chat.
Ayan, I think okay na po.
Ayan po. Ayaw po kasi ni Sean.
Gusto niyo po ng konting jaw? Kung gusto niyo ng konting jaw, lagyan natin.
All
Yan.
organic po ang cast ng ayan.
All organic? Ano, bakit? May
Kasi
non-organic
wala
ba?
ng filter!
May non-organic ba?
Hindi na gumagalaw yung mukha na.
Ayan.
So, what's the comments? I mean, how do we read?
Let's start lang sa you're excited na for Lee.
I'm so excited! Market!
Ewan ko
Okay guys, go to
5
market later.
Guys,
We have
see you later!
we have a mall show po sa market.
Pero, baka umulan na kasi kakanta ko mamaya. So, ingat ko sa daan. Mamaya, kakanta ko eh.
What time? 5
5 p.m.
po.
Yes.
5 p.m.
Sa market.
Ano nararamdaman nyo na malapit nang i-play ang Love at First Bite? Tonight na siya.
Siyempre, sobrang saya.
Sobra excited and nervous.
Parang hindi kakaiyak lang ni Sean. He was just
Direk
crying kasi Direk posted a story about us three.
Oh yeah, that was crazy.
Yeah.
That's my dad, bro.
That's my
Yun
favorite
yung IG ni
director, bro.
direct
That's my dad, bro.
That's my favorite
Ivan
director.
Payawal. Ganda.
Yes. Para sa ating mga avid I Want viewers, can you tell about your mga roles?
So, I play Uno Santillan. He's the captain of the basketball team. He's an athletic scholar. He is... Medyo wala siyang kaibigan. So, nasa Brixton siya. Kasama niya yung mayayaman doon. Tapos siya, I mean, somewhat may kaya pero malayo doon sa mga kasama niya doon. So, ayun, makita mo yung journey niya. Siyempre, hindi ko pwede sabihin. Kailangan yung panoorin.
I
Pero,
really can't see the comment.
madaming pasabog si Uno sa F na ito.
Ako naman po si Jared Aragon. I am the team captain of the boys volleyball
Ba't
team.
ganyan kayo magsalita?
I am the team captain of the boys
Boys?
volleyball
Boys?
volleyball team. Ex-childhood best friend of Mr. Uno Santillan and a cousin of Fire Salcedo.
Ako naman si Farah Salcedo, team captain ng girls volleyball team.
Wow.
And
Star player pa.
Yes. And the cousin
Most
of
popular girl in
Jaren.
school.
Yes!
Sorry.
And ano po, she will eventually play with Uno. So
What?
how is that
Why
gonna
would you play
happen?
with Uno?
How is that gonna happen?
Play
We'll
with- why
find
would you
out.
play with Uno?
We'll find out later.
Play with Uno.
Volleyball. We'll play volleyball all together naman. So you'll find out episode 1 pa lang actually. You'll see more of the story and plot.
Meron ba sa inyo pumunta ng screening?
Yes, did you guys go to the screening?
Ooh. Oh, wait.
Hindi na ako makakita eh. I saw in the trailer, so maybe, sabi ni user 190.
I'm trying to...
Ayan, may mga pumunta si Mark Louis at si...
I love you!
si
Haraon!
Si R at
Oh,
Mark
Familia buddies.
They
Love you
went
guys.
down to the
Yes.
screening.
Wala pwede kayo nang lumabas sa screen ko. Sige, lalabas na ako dyan. Oh, ay, hindi pwede kasi
I can't
hindi
see
ko
it.
alam.
Let's talk about yung mga naging teammates nyo.
Oh!
Yes, for Emilio, I was working with River.
Oh
for
my
this
gosh,
one.
River!
Ate
My
Riz!
brother.
Hi, Ate Riz!
My brother. Honestly guys, nakakaawa si River kasi talagang inaabangan niya tong premiere natin na to. Actually, lahat ng mga housemates, sinasabihan ko talaga, kahit yung mga ex-housemates, mga challengers, sinasabihan ko sa kanila na kailangan nila pumunta ng premiere. Pero wala, nandun pa kami sa bahay eh. So, yeah. I mean, River is super proud of this project. He really wishes the best for all of us. And grabe, excited na siya makita ang galing niya doon sa series.
Si Sean nagte-tech na po.
Yes, ang ating TikTok special.
Paano siya i-off
Ating
yung...
TikTok
Huwag na nga.
technician.
Paano gusto mong mangyari siya?
In-off ko yung parang request.
Okay, then for Rain, I was working with Andy and Rain Selmar naman.
Rain Selmar, my
Rain Selmar, our bunso, and Andy currently in Japan. She wasn't there sa vlog screening, pero I love them both. They're so chaotic and let's see their characters kasi super magkaiba kaming tatlo eh. Para kaming that trio, yung Powerpuff Girls. Parang ganon actually, really
Oh, Powerpuff Girls, so sino ka doon?
I'm the pink
Si
one.
si Blossom.
Your Blossom.
Nuh-uh.
Oh, who's Reina?
Reina's the
The green one.
green one.
The green
Buttercup.
No. Bubbles si ano.
Bubbles si Andy. Parang mga kayo
Yeah.
yung tatlo na yun. Guys, alam niyo si Andy. Well, we all know Andy's really good at acting. And this is Reina Summer's
First.
Her
acting
first.
debut. She's really
Abangan niyo
good.
siya,
Abangan
sobrang
niyo.
galing. It's the first time I'm gonna be nice to Rain.
Me
Sobrang
too.
galing niya dito.
Rain, ang galing mo dito.
Legit.
Super natural
Expired
niya
na
nung
yung
first
ano.
ng vlog screening.
Inspired.
Houseworking naman sa mga beshes mo sa volleyball team.
Oh,
naman. As the captain, Jared.
I loved working with them. Bong, Sky, Jude, Lance, Dylan. Sobrang saya. And also the three Froshies, si Nick, Universe, and Miggy.
Mikiana.
Oy, hindi naman. Ang dami kasi.
Of course.
Guys, abangan niyo si Jude dito.
Sino si Jude? Dead joke lang, Jude. I
Si
miss you.
Storm!
Storm!
Si Storm!
Si Kidlat, guys.
And si, of course, yung best actress.
Lance Reblando!
Best
Ano
actress
na,
sa teatro.
Super Orlando.
Best actress.
Masarap kay eksena yung mga yun si Jude and Lance. Grabe.
Yes.
Diba?
Yes.
Naka-eksena na lang.
Ganun ba yun, guys? Diba? Natutunan ko yung kay Bianca eh.
Bianca?
Yes. Oo.
Bianca.
Diba?
Talaga? She does this?
Siya nagturo sa akin yun. Yes.
Okay. I didn't know.
Siya si Esnir.
You should read it.
I learned it from Lance. Buong eps po ba ilalabas or once a week? Once
a week.
po.
Every Friday.
8 p.m.
Only
Tuesday,
on
Vendredi.
I Want TFC. Kailangan nyo mag-subscribe, guys. Magmamakaawa na ako.
Please.
Subscribe kayo, please, to
Yes,
Taiwan. Please.
Yes.
Magmamakaawa
Maganda na ng
na
I
ako.
Want ngayon.
I love you too,
Promise.
John Renz.
Ang dami yung mapapanood na magagandang show. Isa na yun yung Love at First Bite.
Try
Try
nyo.
natin. Sobrang sulit yung 35 pesos nyo. Sobra.
Try nyo i-download.
Yes,
Download
guys,
nyo
the
na.
app.
Download nyo na yung
Makikita
app.
nyo.
So that
Sa
you can
laptop,
also watch
sa
it on
TV,
TV.
sa mga smart TV kung meron man.
Nakasubscribe na
mga
for
PC,
you, Emilio, sabi.
cellphone. Ano yun?
Nakasubscribe na daw for you.
Wow, I love you. Sino yun?
Wow.
Sino yun?
One for Emilio.
Sino yun?
Oh my
One for
gosh.
Emilio, I love you.
Hi, Claire.
Uy,
Pag-greet naman ng happy birthday.
Happy birthday!
happy birthday!
Aljon!
Mariano. I mean, Mendoza.
Huh? Magjo-joke ka na lang, mali pa yung last name.
If you know, you know.
Hindi Di mo daw siya hinintay
Emilio,
sa
say
oras.
hi to my dog. His name is Spike.
Hi, Spike!
We love you, Spike.
We love you, Spike.
Love at first sight.
Love at first
Ala,
Spike.
Spike yung name ng dog niya.
Yeah.
Cute.
Baka ano, kapatid ko.
Emilio. Kaya, okay lang po. Ganyan po talaga yung epekto ng
Feeling ko
PPP po
gutom.
sa kanya.
Feeling ko gutom si Emilio.
We're just hungry.
I haven't eaten. But I want KFC. That's my comfort food though. Finger licking good,
You should have
bro.
ordered us KFC.
Wow, thank you for the
Thank you.
gift.
I will get us unlimited
Heart
KFC.
Kasi hindi ko talaga mabasa. Ilapit kaya natin.
Pwede bang ilapit?
Pwede naman.
Okay lang ba?
Super.
Kasi di naman kailangan i-full shot eh.
Naks, hindi na siya gumalaw, di ba?
Hi! Kasama ko kayo sa Enchanted. Hello, Erica Faith. Ang ganda!
Who was it?
Ni Eric Faith. Sino yung sa gitna asawa ko? La!
Hi, thank you, Anna.
Did they propose?
See you guys
Okay,
later
fine.
sa Market.
See you sa Market!
5 p.m. Hindi ka nakita.
Lahat po ba na... No, 1 per week po. Every 8 p.m.
Emilio, hindi mo ako inintay sa Boracay. Hindi mo naman ako tinext. Hindi mo naman ako tinawagan. Paano ko malalaman hinihintay mo ako? Di ba?
Hi, John! Hindi niya daw na-record yung greetings.
Nakasubscribe na po.
Hi!
Reindeer here.
Okay, ito na. Baka may questions kayo for us, exclusive dito sa live ng
Yes.
I Want TFC.
Hoy, minsan
Sasagot namin lahat.
Minsan lang kami mag-live. So, make sure
Okay
you guys,
guys,
can also ask
subscribe
us.
na po tayo sa I Want TFC. Thank you so much. Live selling! Maraming salamat
Ayan,
sa
ayan!
pag-subscribe.
Naka 100 na tayo na subscription. Sabihin natin kay Sir Jamie.
Saan? Uy, wow! Thank you sa pag-subscribe, guys.
Salamat
Continue.
sa 600,000
Nakakakalay
viewers.
naman yung
600,000 viewers. Grabe, masisira na yung TikTok nito. Sure.
Oh, thank you for the awesome, guys. Emilio Buddy sent, you're awesome.
Oh, you're awesome. Bruh.
Rose. Nakasubscribe na po. Thank you
Thank you,
po
guys.
sa mag-subscribe.
Where's Rain?
Ayan.
Palong-palo.
Thank you so
Uy,
much.
nagsasend
sa mga
kayo ng roses. Wag na,
nagsubscribe.
mag-subscribe na lang kayo.
Thank you for the roses.
Yung roses. Subscribe na lang.
Oo, yung pinang-rose niya, pang-subscribe nyo na lang.
Akin na to, ang hingay mo.
Ano?
Oh, I said you love you so much. Na full charge po si Emilio. Actually, guys, mamaya lobat na yan. Mamaya pupunta na yan sa gilid, tapos di na yung kapag-usap.
Wow.
Expose.
Bakit ba may ganito?
Hindi, ganyan kasi pag
Pag may
nagla-live
nag-subscribe.
Okay.
So may nag-subscribe
Nag-subscribe na pa ako, Kuya Emilio.
Nag-subscribe na
Thank
po
you,
ba kayo?
Yan, for subscribing po sa I Want TFC.
Okay. Congrats sa lahat na nag-subscribe.
Done subscribing,
Meron
Ate
kayong
Jill.
paraffle from Sean Tristan!
Subscribe daw.
From
Subscribe.
Sean. Meron kayong premium from Sean.
From you.
Guys, mag-subscribe kayo. Sa iPhone.
Ayun!
Okay.
Merch!
Merch.
What's merch?
Ilalive sell.
What's
ilalive
merch?
sell.
This is our luxury tote bag in
Yeah.
black. We can have white if you want.
No.
Ito po, ito,
Yan.
itong
Oh,
tote
ito.
bag. ito.
Tatanggalin ko.
No,
Sorry.
Hindi.
Hindi pala pwede.
In-
Joke lang. Ayan, nagagalit na yung
Pamay
mga tao
na po,
dito.
pamay.
Nagagalit na.
Pamay,
Joke lang
dapat
naman,
first
kayo
spike
naman.
tote bag.
Mamaya, gaganyan ako.
What's in my bag?
Abangan nyo na lang kung saan.
Okay, bag grade.
What's in my
Bag
lover
grade
purse?
Okay,
sa
you first.
Love
What's
at
in
First
your bag?
Spike tote bag.
Walaan nyo, ano to?
T-shirt.
Lapit ka kasi di ka kita.
Ayan, okay na. Ay, walaan nyo, ano to,
T-shirt.
guys? Ang makahulakan nila na to.
Let's welcome our special guest.
Wow!
Our best actress!
The best actress is here! Lance Reblando, everybody! Also
We have
known as
1,000
Diamond
viewers. Grabe.
Hernandez on Love at First Sight.
Mamaya na to!
Ayun yun. Guys, introduce mo naman yung character mo.
Hi po! Ako po si Lance Reblando. I play the role of Diamond Hernandez, the libero, the trans woman of the Boys Birds of Volleyball
Ganda.
team.
Wow.
Samahan niyo siya.
Yes!
Yes!
Yes, yes, yes.
Back
Is,
grade.
is Rain part of the market dito?
Yes.
Ayun, punta kayo ng market if you want to see Rain.
We have t-shirts.
Pantay na sa misa.
We hope na magustuhan niyo yung t-shirts to the point na pwede namin na ibenta sa inyo talaga in person.
Ano ba to?
Moment of silence.
Ay, ano yan? Oh no, I feel like...
Moment of silence. Whoa, wait.
Pwede na mo, lowbat na siya. Kasi kanina super ano eh.
Sino to,
Outburst.
sino to, guys? Hindi, joke lang.
Sino yun?
Sino yun?
Hindi niya rin naalam.
Okay ka na.
Pamain ng sa gitna, hindi po namin to sinesend.
Wow!
No.
Si Bakod, no?
No! Ito po kasi talaga. Hindi po kami
Oh, ano
nagsasama
pa?
ng
Ano pa? Ano pa yung nasa
Ito
loot
po,
bag
backgrade
nyo?
po kasi tayo today.
Oh, go, go. Ano yung nasa loot bag niyo?
How much po
Ilan na
yung
yung
t-shirt?
viewers natin? 1.4 thousand?
1.4 million?
Wow. That's a lot of viewers, bro.
Kasama rin po ba dyan si River? Yes! Part po siya ng Love at First.
Oh,
Thank
si
you,
River,
Ate
ano?
Liz.
Pinaalam ko na kay Kuya, lalabas daw siya mamaya for the mall show, tapos babalik ng bahay ni Kuya. Joke lang. Joke lang ha.
Eh,
Joke lang yun.
nilabas na si
Siyempre hindi
Kuya
pwede.
sa market.
Siyempre hindi pwede.
News!
Hindi pwede. Fake news po yun. Hindi po yun totoo. It's just a prank.
It's just prank.
It's a prank.
See you sa market, sabi ni Lars. See you, Lars.
Sobrang saya lang.
Sobrang ano!
Okay, here's what's in my bag.
Oh, what is
So
it?
we have a Smart Cup LED temperature display,
Whoa!
AKA Tumblr.
aka Smart Cup, no tumbler. And then I have a t-shirt,
Open.
Love
Let's
at
open
First
it.
Bite
Pwede daw.
t-shirt. Extra large.
Oh!
Sino yung extra large dyan?
We also sell...
Oh,
We
guys.
also sell tumblers!
Oh guys, check out na tayo dyan
Kumain
ng
nyo na,
ating
kumain nyo na.
tumbler. May LED
So this
display.
is what the shirt looks like.
Yes, it's what we're wearing right now.
Comment nyo lang po, Flex
kung gusto
one,
nyo
kung gusto nyo
mag-matching
po.
tayo next, mamaya, so dito.
Bilhin nyo na para sa akin kasi dalawa lang talagang meron ako.
Comment nyo lang po,
Kailangan
Flex
ko na po talaga
one, kung
maglaba.
gusto nyo pong i-flex ko po itong Love at First Bite
So
tumbler.
cute. That's so cute. I don't have one.
Ano laman nun sa'yo?
It's just a t-shirt.
And speaking of mga memorabilia, meron ba kayong nakuha memorabilia sa set?
Ako, kinuha ko na yung jacket.
Me too. We have the jackets
I took the jacket.
Yes,
It's a really nice jacket.
Oh my God. Hindi
Reversible
ko
pa siya.
Hindi ko pa sinasoli yung socks na binairam sa akin.
Ala ako din, mga socks for volleyball.
Ayan, pakibalik na po doon sa
Guys.
wardrobe. Sa styling.
Pamain na po!
Mga material.
How to avail.
Pwede bang i-mind si
Mag-subscribe
Ray?
lang po
Pwede
kayo
naman,
sa iWantTFC,
Marjorie.
35 pesos lang.
Rain Parani, Emilia Daes, Sean Tristan, and the yellow basket below. Make sure to, claim your, coupons dito sa TikTok, diba?
Ang ganda nito. Akin na ba talaga?
Saan pala nanggaling yan?
Hindi ko alam, pinigay lang eh.
Sino kayang next cast na darating?
Kasi,
Wow!
kami talaga attendance check.
So,
Look guys,
happening?
Same thank you na din.
Guys,
Invite
ano ba to?
later.
yeah, thank you guys for supporting Love at First Bite.
Naubos yung energy mo
Basta
yan.
siya. Ganyan siya,
Parang
guys.
kanina, yung gulo-gulo mo. Parang naubos.
Gusto nyo mo gulo
Nalubat. Oh guys, Yun, watch Love at First Spike tonight, 8 p.m. on I Want TFC.
And then 5 p.m. Market.
Yes, 5 p.m.
At kung gusto nyo uminom ng tsaa dito, pwede na rin naman po.
Meron
Ayan,
ganyan.
meron siyang ganun.
Pang tsaa ba?
And it's...
Bakit piniflex ba natin? Yan hindi naman.
And also, it detects the temperature inside the cup. So,
It does.
pwedeng hot and pwedeng cold.
Wow!
It does nga.
Yeah! Diba?
Wow!
Kaya naman, Emilio Dice, check out na po tayo ng aking Love at First Spike Tumblr.
Hindi. Kailangan nila mag-subscribe sa I Want TFC. Hindi, tara guys. Alis na tayo kasi hindi sila nag-subscribe sa I Want TFC.
O guys, mag-subscribe na ba kayo? Send proof.
Hindi kayo nagsasabi
Hindi
na
kayo
magsasubscribe
Send proof
kayo.
na, oh. See you on All
Any
Stars.
spoilers?
Wala!
Wala,
Walang
mag-subscribe
spoiler!
ka para may spoilers.
Ayan. Okay, saan? We'll see you guys at 5 p.m.
We'll see you guys at Market.
Bye!
Bye!
Bye po! Bye-bye guys!
Bye guys!
The
Bye.
That is RC. Thank you guys. You can